This is Chef Chris. Welcome to ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. Today we're going to be demystifying the culinary arts and showcasing some amazing appliances, showing you how easy it is to cook great food at home. All right, so today we're going to be cooking on a Wolf 48-inch range top. This particular range top has 4 burners and a 24-inch griddle. 20,000 BTU, which is great for sauteing or boiling water. Dual stack burner, which is great for low simmer or very high BTU for sauteing. And also the design of this particular cooktop, very big, wide open space to use for pots and pans. And one style design is Wolf's signature red knob. You can also get them in black or stainless steel. All right, so today we're going to be cooking beignets. That's right. All you need is paper towels to absorb some of the oil. Peanut oil we've used today, but you can use any high burning temp oil. A candy thermometer that should be between 350 to 375. You don't want it any hotter than that. Some refrigerated pizza dough. That's right, refrigerated pizza dough. It's easy to make your own dough, but this is even easier. Some powdered sugar, set of tongs, and a knife. The first thing we're going to need to do is get the oil up to temp. Like I said, 350 to 375. Then we're going to get our pizza dough and we're going to cut it up. So we're going to drop these in the oil. And as you drop it in the oil, just touch the oil and then push away. That way you won't get splatter on yourself. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Letting them go a little while and you can see them puff up a little bit. Once that starts to happen, turn them over and they should be a really light golden brown. You can kind of see that start to happen. As soon as it comes out of the oil, we're going to put it onto the paper towels to drain some of the oil off of it. Then we're going to put powdered sugar on top of it. Feel free to use as much or as little as you would like. It's pretty much as easy as that, like I said before. That's some kind of good. That's all for today. Please check us out at abwappliances.com. And remember, always keep trying new recipes. This is ABW's Executive Chef, Chris, signing out for today. And thanks again for watching ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen.